Okay, so you see this one? This is this street. This is where Sai did his video for My Face. So he filmed it here and in Venetian. So so what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to show you a little bit of the street, and I think I'll also try to put up the clip a little bit. So here that is right now. Put little images of the street anyways. Hope you enjoyed that. So, okay. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So, okay, so yeah, basically this street, I'll give you a little bit of interesting things about it. This is kind of an overall Portuguese area, like a historical Portuguese area. This pastel blue over here, I'll just kind of go up there a little bit. That one is the Protestant cemetery that's been there for, I don't know, 100+ years or something like that. And basically the city, this used to be outside of the city gates. So that pastel blue, all the Protestants, when they died, they would go here, which are predominantly British. So this was always a part of Portugal, of course. So most people were Catholics. But then, but there was also some, show you some of the cool stuff on the street too, barbershop. That's pretty cool, interesting. A little Japanese thing. Okay. So anyways, so the Protestants would be buried there because they weren't allowed to be in the Catholics. But yeah, they're usually like, I think there's a Morrison guy. There's a bunch of famous Brits, some Americans, different people were also here who were not Portuguese, and they would live in this colony. So it has a pretty interesting history. This right here, we had a pretty big typhoon that came through here maybe 2-3 years ago now, and there was a big massive tree that was here, and that tree, I think that fence is all new. Looks like it's all new, but that tree was right in that spot, and then it fell down, and it was like this massive tree all the way across here, and it created a lot of damage. And it did damage to that fence in particular. And I have footage of it. I'll try to find it sometime. And yeah, this bike seems like it's always here. Must be somebody connected to this apartment. But yeah, I think I've it's kind of photogenic. It's like rusty chain, but a fresh bottle of water. So okay, we're gonna walk down a little bit more. There's also some coffee shops down here as well, and some apartment buildings, as you can see. Let me just kind of show you some of those. So, okay, we're gonna keep on exploring. This one is kind of a cool little corner, and then this is a nice little plaza. Macau has lots of little plazas everywhere, so that's kind of one of the unique features. Rua do Volong. Go down a little bit more. Oh, it's like locked to that one. You could just pick up the bike and just pull it up. It's just a post. It's not wrapped around. Should be around a different kind of pole, like around this pole. Okay, so we're gonna come a little bit more, and let's see. What's this one? This is a shoe shop. Okay. And let's see. This one is athletic wear, swimwear. Okay. Okay, let's go down the corner, and I'm going to show you how cool the street is down here. Here's another special shop. Kutatu. Okay. A kind of an art one. Wow, this is kind of cool. Like, this looks like a little plaza in here. So if you could go through that door, it looks like a big courtyard right over there. It's hard to see from here. So yeah, anyways, let's go down a little bit more. And we'll just kind of show you how cool all this stuff is. So yeah, when you see that size video, there are some tourists that come here, but most of the tourists usually go to the casinos, Sao Paulo ruins, so you see some, but not a lot. But there's a lot of little Portuguese pockets all over the place. And I did another video earlier when I was talking about the Portuguese language in Macau and where to study it and what the experience is like. And so I filmed another video where I kind of went into a little bit more detail here. But since I'm right here right now, I'm gonna walk and film a little bit more of it. Right there, okay. This is Diocese of San Jose. Okay. I think we're gonna end it there, but basically this is this area that that video Sai was done. There's a lot more to see in this area, but and if you want to have more details about it, just throw some questions down at me and I can come out and film a little bit more and do another video about it. So all right, hope you enjoyed this one as well. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.